Hello, and welcome to Guide Direct's no-nonsense walkthrough on how to change the Gmail background where you view your emails. You want to open up your preferred web browser and head on over to Gmail. Once there, we're looking for an icon at the top right corner that looks like a cog, right here. Once you click that, a menu will pop up and you will see underneath it a button that says See All Settings. To the far right on this line of menus, we're looking for themes. Go ahead and press that. Then, to the far left, you will see a new button, Set Theme, which will launch a bunch of themes you can apply to your email background. Feel free to muck about and try them until you find something you like. I think I'll stick with the dark theme. Once you have made your choice, press the Save button and it will take us back to our emails. Press Inbox and you're done. Thank you for following along. I hope this guide has helped you. If you wouldn't mind helping me back by leaving me a subscribe, it would mean the world to me.